Pearly Haze, a yarn with a pearly sheen. This made in Italy blown yarn is made from 73% viscose and 27% extra fine merino wool. Pearly Haze is produced using a technique called Soffili. The extra fine merino is blown into a hollow chainette, and the viscose structure gives the yarn an elegant shine, softness, and lightness, whereas the merino wool makes Pearly Haze warm, slightly fluffy, and delicate against the skin. The wool is sourced from Australia and it is mulesing-free. Moreover, it has undergone the Basolan treatment, which ensures softness, better resilience to pilling, and brighter colors. The color palette is subdued yet appears vibrant thanks to the shiny effect given by the viscose. Pearly Haze is suitable for beginners and experts alike, and it is so flexible that your hands will not get tired while crafting with it. Each skein weighs 50 grams, that's 1.75 ounces, and the yarn length is 110 meters. That's 120 yards. Last but not least, Pearly Haze is a worsted yarn weight, and if you're looking for some inspiration, we have plenty of gorgeous patterns available on our website, so make sure to check that out. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section telling us what you dream of making with this gorgeous yarn, and we will see you guys in the next Behind the Yarn episode.